guys, welcome to my channel. So the last time, you guys know, we did a makeup tutorial and we chit chat a little bit. I feel like we kind of chit chat a lot. I feel like I was talking more than explaining to you guys what I was doing. I enjoyed it so much that I wanted to do something similar, but of course with a different makeup tutorial. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Of course, the first thing I'm going to do, and I hope you guys can hear me, or maybe you guys are going to hear a little sound. I just have the AC on, and it's because, well, I'm going to tell you, you see I'm talking and I'm not explaining to you guys what I'm doing. So I'm going to first prime my face with the Wet n Wild matte face primer. I'm going to prime my face. So like I was saying, sorry if you hear a little noise, but seriously, yesterday I was doing a video for my Spanish channel and I didn't have the AC on because I don't want the noise to bother you guys. But yesterday I was filming and I wasn't like 100% here concentrated because I was hot. I was so hot that I felt like the foundation was melting. So I apologize if you guys can hear that noise, but seriously, I can't. Yesterday I couldn't. I was sweating. My hair was getting all sticky in my body, but yeah, I think I'm giving you too much detail of where and what it was sweating. So after that, if you guys follow me, you know that I have to apply a little bit, or not a little bit, a certain amount of this orange concealer just to cut my dark circles. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. And I told you guys on the last video I didn't like my nails in orange and that I had to change it in this blue. I'm gonna stick with this blue for maybe 2 weeks. After that, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match Eye Cream in a concealer, and this has the 0.5 hyaluronic acid and 1-2 in the shade Fair. And I stopped using this, but now I'm going back again, and this is just to have a little bit more coverage. Then I'm just going to blend it on top of the orange concealer. Today I'm super tired from yesterday. Yesterday I did so many things that I just took a break of 20-30 minutes. So today I'm going to take it kind of slow. But my dark circles are extremely dark. For today's makeup look, I just want to change foundation, so I'm going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation, and I'm using the shade Medium 80W. However, this is not my right shade. I'm looking lighter one, which I think I'm going to buy some stuff from ColourPop, especially their blush stick. I love it so much. Oh my god, I wanted to buy today the ColourPop mystery boxes, and I don't know why I thought that they were not gonna sold out that fast, and they sold out. I was like, okay, let me just buy at least the cost less, but everything sold out. So I was like, okay, never mind, next time, you know what, don't hesitate, just buy it. Again, I went again to Target. 2 weeks that I didn't go to Target, and for me is like a year. So much Target. I was like, I want to go to Target. I couldn't go to Target, I was so busy. So anyways, yeah, I finally went to Target, and it was like I went to a Disney store. You know how kids enjoy going to Disney stores? That's how I felt. That they're starting to have new stuff, and I was looking to some gold rustic vases, but I wasn't sure. Like, I really wanted to buy them. I love how it looks, especially right now for fall. I don't know, I just like, and I'm still thinking about it. For concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand. I went to Target and I bought some stuff, which I think I want to do like a haul, like a random haul. I don't know yet how I'm gonna call it, but like, because I've been buying some things here for the house or just random stuff, and then I really wanted to show you guys. So to contour my face, I'm going to use the Tulum palette. This is from BH Cosmetics, their travel series, and we traveled to Tulum. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave the link down below. But first I'm gonna go with Paradise. So first I'm gonna put Paradise of my face on the upper part. And I'm gonna go with the color Ruinas and just apply it on top of it and start blending the contour. Oh, and also I saw at Target, like there was, you guys know that Target has a section of candles, and during summer they had obviously summer candles, and they were gone. Like absolutely everything was almost gone. There were kind of few, and I was like, oh my god, they're gone. And maybe they're gonna start, you know, selling candles for fall and everything. But right now that I was thinking, I was like, what if they were on sale and I could have purchased whatever they had there in case, you know, because I'm a fan of candles, but especially more for fall. Yeah, like for summer I don't buy candles. I think it's because it doesn't make you want to feel cozy or stay warm inside. It's like summer, you want to have fun and go out. So yeah, I think that's why I don't buy candles for summer. I think I should, so the house smells really nice. Even though this house smells nice. Well, not yesterday, because yesterday I was doing an apple pie and it was burning. That we had to open the door of the house because seriously, it was I mean, it was not at the point that the house was on fire, but we saved it. I saw it on time. It was just the juice that was dripping that made like kind of like smoke inside the oven. Apple pie was delicious. We finished it. The good thing is that we did too. I didn't contour my nose. When I started YouTube, I saw that the girls were contouring their nose and everything, but I was like, why should I contour my nose? I like my nose. I know it's to make it thinner. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna try it. Just contour your nose and see if you like it or not. And then now I have to contour my nose. Highlight my face. I'm gonna use the color Yucatan. Oh my god. No, it's not to highlight the face yet. Hold on. For blush, I'm going to use the ColourPop blush stick, and this is from their Limoncello collection. In the color Picnic Time. You guys know I'm obsessed with this color. I think it's a beautiful summery color, and of course, because we're still doing like a summer makeup look, I like to add a little bit extra of blush so it looks more, you know, like a summery face with more blush. And when it's winter and fall, I like to decrease the intensity of the blush. Now we're gonna go back to highlight the face. So like I said before, I'm going to use the color Yucatan. Of the nose, Cupid's bow. You see, right now with the AC, I'm enjoying doing my makeup here with you guys because I'm not melting. Before moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just going to apply this on my lids. I have more control of the eyeshadows. First palette I'm going to use is 35C Everyday Chic from Morphe, and I'm going to go with the color Love It. This is just to set the concealer before starting actually the makeup on the eyes. So I'm going to start with this dark green. It's called Just Perfect from the same palette. Just going to make a line like this because again I forgot to put tape. Now I'm going to use again Just Perfect, but now with another brush. So I'm going to start applying this color on the outside of my eye here, so we have more depth on this part. And oh my god, like I said before, we're watching Downton Abbey, and it's been already 2 episodes that I've been crying like a baby. My daughter was like, "Mom, are you crying?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm crying." So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to start doing on the upper crease and a little bit on the lid. Okay, before I tell you about Downton Abbey, I'm going to go now with the Nutcracker palette. This is from Beauty Creations. You guys know that they launched first holiday collection last year. I'm gonna go with the color Nutcracker to start applying it on the lid, and then after that on the crease. So okay, like I was saying, so I was crying like a baby. One episode, the maid was basically giving up her son to his grandparents because she didn't have the money, and she at the end decided to give her child to his grandparents. And when, oh my god, when she was saying goodbye, please be a good boy, I love you, oh my god, I was like I was crying, seriously, I was crying really hard. I was seeing the kid going into the car, and then he was just saying goodbye to the mom. Oh my god, that's when my soul went away.
Bye, mommy.
Oh yeah, he says, yeah, he said bye, mommy. Oh my god. I mean, when you're a mom, I feel like you're like more sensible to those situations. You see, I'm just talking and talking. Okay, so I'm just going to combine Perfect Time with Nutcracker. And now I'm going to do the same thing on this side of the eye. Again, applying it on the lid and also on the crease. Another episode, I was crying because the third daughter of the dad just died. She died after giving birth, and I was like, we were not even expecting her to die. They had to do a C-section. She stopped having oxygen in the brain. She started saying, oh my god, my head, and struggling to breathe, and then suddenly she was dead. Everybody was astonished because not expecting her to die, and that was like, oh my god, she's dead, and she just had her baby. Oh my god, I was crying. And oh, and that's when my daughter said to me, Mom, are you crying? I was like, yeah, I'm crying. I can't believe she's dead. For the next palette, oh my god, I feel like I'm using all the palettes that I have. But for the next color, I'm going to use Tres Luce Beauty palette. This is the I Am palette from Becky G. And I'm gonna go with the color Sol. I'm going to apply it on top of Nutcracker. You might say I didn't apply it before, but I feel like it just gives like a faded yellow on top of the green, and that's what I wanted to have instead, like a pop of yellow. So I'm just going to apply this on the lid. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side of the eye. But yeah, like the series, it's getting better and better. And now, before putting some falsies, I'm going to apply the e.l.f. mascara. Now for this makeup, we really need some falsies because you guys know on the last video I said I didn't want them, especially because we did so many videos like dramatic looks with the new palettes, and I was like tired of having dramatic lashes. After that, I'm just going to apply some falsies. They're from Ardell, but I forgot what they're wispies, but I don't know the number because I lost the box. And while we wait for the falsies to dry, I'm going to use again the color Perfect Time. I'm just going to do this to finish the look. So I'm going to apply it on underneath the eyes, but not so thick. I'm going to do the same thing on this side of the eye. And also, we've been watching a new baking show on Netflix. It's a British baking show. And here in the house, we love baking. I love baking, and the kids love baking too. And the little one is the one who is starting to love it too. And I love it so much. Yesterday, like I said, we did an apple pie, and oh my god, he really wanted to be with us, and then he was helping us out, and it was such a beautiful moment. But yeah, we need a bigger kitchen because we don't fit the three of us in that small kitchen. So I'm going to use again Nutcracker and apply it underneath my eyes, and also just combine it with Perfect Time. watching that baking show and I love it so much. It's giving me ideas to start baking again, because before I started baking more often, like before the little one was born, I used to bake a little bit more. We have some snacks here in the house instead of buying them. So now I'm gonna go with Palette Paris from BH Cosmetics. You guys know that I traveled to Paris. If you guys missed that video, I'll leave the link down below. But we had so much fun. But anyway, so I'm gonna go with the color Louvre with a small brush. I'm just going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to use the Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal and just apply it on my lower lashes. So to finish up the makeup, we're gonna finish of course with the lips. I'm gonna go with the Creation lipstick. This is in the color Classical, and with that I'm going to use this lip topper from I Heart Revolution. This is from the Little Mermaid collection. So I'm going just to add this on the middle part of my lips. And that's it. This is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy the chit chat. Oh my god, I feel like I was talking non-stop again, where we do makeup and we have a chit chat girl to girl, and I love talking to you guys. I think I feel like I'm going to do more often of these, but not too often, so of course you guys don't get bored. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.